Okay, I put an SD card in there. Sometimes this camera will let you record without an SD card. I don't know why that's a thing, but it lets you do it. But in order to shoot with manual lenses, you have to do that. I probably need to put my seatbelt on. That's unsafe. All right, so I'm going to Mike's house from Accelerated Heights. I'm gonna be bringing him a Crossfire receiver. We are doing like I don't know, we do it every December. We do like a meetup. So this year is going to be a little bit different since I'm flying FPV now. I think we're going to see a pretty good turnout. Sulphur Springs is a good spot to fly. And if it's a total bust and nobody shows up, we're just going to go find some business parks that are deserted and go fly. So pretty stoked. I've converted all my quads to EMU. I may take the Mavic Air 2 out with me. But right now, Mike's, then Best Buy. I need to go ahead and get spare batteries for the Hero 9. I've waited too long. I got the Jackery. I've got the Jackery in the back. I'm going to be using that today to keep all this stuff fully charged. So let's see how all this works out. Let's get started. All right, out here at Sulphur Springs. Had a couple people show up for the meetup. Good weather, really good weather. Oh, that was really bright. Flying the tower, you know, a little bit more technical. Probably gonna stay here for a little bit and maybe move to another spot to fly. This is sort of a sketchy area of town, but yeah, a lot of land to fly, and it's just super, super technical. The tower is a good centerpiece. I'm having a really hard time diving it tonight, but we'll try it again. Got some drones, got some RC cars out here, so just a good time. Nice weather. Did I say that already? I think I said that already. All right, let's get back to flying. The ground? Was a lot of fun. I did. Oh, all right. So I'm mentally spent. All right. So maybe I should fly my Mavic a little bit more because I'm really getting tired of having to chase my drone out of a tree. That really sucked. Normally, when I'm flying and I get stuck in a tree, Mike usually has this massive pole that we can jam into the tree, and that's not a problem. But today we drove my car. I can't fit that pole in the car, so had to climb, shake, and then we grabbed a freaking log, which we thought had enough depth to get up there, but in turn, it was covered in ants, so that was a really bad idea, and we got bit up. Yeah, so it's pretty good. Found 2 good spots, so obviously the tower, I think I got a couple of good dives off the tower, and then we found another sort of business park to fly. Wasn't terrible, but I wasn't really flying all that well. I was being really cautious. There was a lot of glass at this business park, so I wasn't trying to break anything. So total damage on the red quad, I have to replace all 4 motors. I burned up 2 motors, but if I burned up 2 motors, I'm just like, screw it. I'm gonna replace the motors all the way around. I'm gonna end up going back to Unibel motors. I've been using the Zing E motors, and those are their economy motors. They're not terrible, but they're not the best. They're not the best motors you can get. So I'm just gonna go ahead and throw some 1800 2808 motors on there. I think that'll be pretty good. Alrighty guys, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. As always, stay original.